Hello? Hi, Big Birdie.
Rachel.
Rachel. Hi, Big Bird.
Are you?
Hmm?
What you doing?
I'm looking at Facebook. What are you doing?
Hmm?
Hmm?
What you doing?
Well, now I switched to YouTube. What are you doing? Hmm? Big Bird.
Rachel.
Rachel. Ha 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 ha.
Ha.
Ha ha ha.
Hello.
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 Hi.
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 How are you? How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you? I'm good. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? Rachel Bird. Hmm?
Rachel Bird.
It's a Rachel Bird.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Is that a cough? Hmm? What you doing? Huh? Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me kisses. Uh-huh, uh-huh. What you doing?
Hmm?
Hmm?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Hmm?
Hmm?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Huh?
Huh?
Bird.
Big Bird.
Rachel.
Rachel.
You are.
You are. You're Rachel Bird.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How are you? I'm good. How are you? How are you?
Bird.
Big Bird. Are you a Rachel Bird? Hmm? Hmm?
What you doing?
Well, I'm talking to you right now. What you doing? What? Ha ha. Ha ha.
What you?
What you? What? Ha ha. Big Birdie. Hi, Big Bird. What you doing? Hmm? Rachel Bird.
Hmm?
Hmm?
What you doing?
Are you a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl?
Are you?
Huh?
Rachel Bird.
Rachel Bird.
Yeah.
Yeah? Huh?
What you doing?
What are you doing?
Huh?
Huh?
Are you a pretty girl?
No, I'm not. You are. You're a pretty girl. Mm-hmm.
You are that.
What? Huh? What you doing?
Sure.
Oh, yeah?
Bird.
Big Bird.
Rachel Bird.
Rachel Bird.
Oh, sure. You're telling me that you're...
Huh? Rachel Bird.
Rachel Bird.
Rachel Bird. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You are.
Are you?
Are you a pretty girl? Hmm? Are you a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? Mm-hmm.
What's it like?
Huh? Uh-huh.
Bird.
Big Bird.
Rachel Bird.
Rachel Bird. Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Aww. What you doing? Hmm?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hmm?
Hmm?
Are you pretty girl?
Are you a pretty girl?
Hmm?
You are. Uh-huh. You pretty girl?
Are you
You are.
a good girl?
That's a good girl. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I can't believe you that you're finally talking for the YouTubers. Mm-hmm. Can you say, mm-hmm? That's my nose. Give me kisses. Hmm? You good girl? Hmm?
What you doing?
I'm updating my Facebook. What are you doing? Hmm?
What you doing?
I'm still working on Facebook. What are you doing?
Hmm?
Hmm?
What you doing?
What are you doing? Silly bird? Huh? Are you a silly bird? Oh, hey. Are you a silly bird? Hmm?
What you doing?
What are you doing? Hmm? Rachel Bird? Hmm?
What you doing?
I live here. What are you doing here? Huh? Hi. What you doing? Hmm? Hi, Big Birdie. Do you think we got enough video for the YouTubers? Finally got you talking. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Is you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Go, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, I think that's all Rachel's going to say for us today. Yeah. Thank you for talking. At least we can prove to him that you do talk now. Haha. And you laugh, don't you? You laugh and you burp and you chuckle and you say all sorts of things, don't you? But she can see that the camera is on now, so of course she goes all quiet. Can you say goodbye? Hmm? Can you say goodbye, Rachel Bird? Can you say goodbye? Mm-hmm. Rachel. Okay, goodbye. Oh, I don't think I shut it off. Oh, okay. Here we go. Take two. Ready? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Aw, thank you. That's a good girl. Mm-hmm. All right. Rachel and Jason